Plans are underway to set up a state-of-the-art science city in Bhubaneswar. Science and Technology Minister Krishna Chandra Patrao is personally reviewing existing models to ensure world-class standards. Recently, the minister visited the Science City in Patna. There, he interacted with officials and studied its design and infrastructure. Following the visit, he held detailed discussions with Bihar authorities. Very soon, a delegation from Bihar will come to Odisha to share expertise and provide guidance for the project. The proposed science city in Bhubaneswar will be developed on 100 acres of land. It will serve as a hub for scientific learning, research, and public engagement with modern facilities and interactive exhibits. Minister Patrao said the Patna visit was important to understand the practical aspects of such a large project. He added that the Chief Minister has already approved the land and efforts are on to build a world-class science city in the capital. With consultations and planning in progress, the project is expected to boost scientific curiosity and innovation in Odisha, while also becoming a major attraction in Bhubaneswar.
Bhubaneswar re gote apankar science city nirman hobo. Seti pai माननीय मुख्यमंत्री 100 एकड़ जगह आमको ऑलरेडी ग्रांट कर देचंती आम पाटना रे जो साइंस सिटी बर्तमान काम चली सरी आसलानी ताकू देखा जाइलु बहुत बढ़िया काम हो ऑफिसर्स मान सहित बसिली गोटे मीटिंग मुझे डाकी यू किसी एडवाइस नबू आम गोटे भल साइंस सिटी भुवनेश्वर निर्माण कर।